Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. Into this video, I will be making breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They are high protein meals, easy, simple, but yet so tasty. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Let's get started right now. First, we're gonna get started with breakfast. I drizzle a little bit of honey into a frying pan. I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. Next, I'm adding the pear. I cut it in half. I'm just gonna let it get a little bit of color. I turn the pear on the other side. I cook this for about 10 minutes. I am adding a little bit of lime just to kind of balance out the flavors. This is the protein yogurt I will be using. I will also be using some granola. I have some of the yogurt on a plate and I place the pear over the yogurt. I have the granola on top of the pear and yogurt and I garnish with a little bit of mint. So cute, right? For lunch, I will be making egg sandwich with sweet potato fries. I added a little bit of seasoned salt and avocado oil. I'm going to pop this in the air fryer. I will be boiling 3 eggs. This is what the fries look like right out of the air fryer. They look so good. I'm going to add a little bit of mayo and some seasonings. It's optional, you don't have to add the seasonings. I'm just a little extra. I'm also going to place this on some sourdough bread, and you can also use wheat bread if you want to. And I hope you give this a try. I'm also going to have some chocolate milk. I like this chocolate milk because it's low on the sugar and high on the protein, just how I like it. And that is it for lunch. I blended 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 habanero pepper. You don't have to add the pepper, it's optional. You can also add some bell peppers. I am adding some seasoned salt, smoked paprika, chicken bouillon. You can add any kind of seasonings you have. I'm just gonna cook this till it's soft and I'm going to add the ground turkey. Right here, I have some roasted sweet potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning and a little bit of heavy cream. You don't have to add the heavy cream, it's optional. I'm going to mix this all together till it's soft and yummy, delicious. I'm going to place this in a baking dish. Next, I will add the ground turkey over the sweet potatoes. I'm also going to add some cheese and some cottage cheese and some cilantro just for some garnish, just to make it look so cute and fancy and all that good stuff. I popped this in the oven at 400 for about 15 minutes. This meal was so delicious. I hope you give it a try.